We did two videos on LSTM long strategies, one using the classification approach and one using the regression approach. We seem to achieve a rather decent Sharpe ratio of about 0.9 for the LSTM regression long strategy. In this video, we shall demonstrate the traditional simple moving average long strategy for comparison. The first few steps are identical to my previous two videos, so I will not repeat them over here. For apple-to-apple comparison, we will backtest the simple moving average strategy on the Microsoft dataset. We compute the simple moving average of 20 days. We define the signal for a long position if the previous adjusted close price is larger than the previous simple moving average. Else, the signal will be no position. We compute the strategy returns and the entry points similar to the previous video. We can see that there are a lot more trades using this simple moving average strategy as compared to the LSTM strategies. If we do a zoom in, and we could see the buy and the sell signals were consistent with the strategy. If we compare the strategy returns and the buy on hold returns, this strategy did not perform well. We got a Sharpe ratio of 0.56 and a maximum drawn down of 57%, which were worse than the previous LSTM long regression strategy. That's all for this video. The code for this strategy can be downloaded below. The video on LSTM regression long strategy is also referenced below. Let me know your view in the comments below. Thank you.